Hi, I'm Sarah Smith with eTherapy, sharing our teletherapy activity of the week. Every week, we share helpful online games, teletherapy tips, and resources to help you be the best e-therapist you can be. Today, we're sharing the site GoNoodle.com. This is a really engaging and motivating site for incorporating movement activities into your sessions. You can create a free family or educator account that will give you access to many of the videos and activities on the site. Here's an example of a silly but effective video to get your students moving. So here you can imitate the movements of the moose as he runs to take the meatballs to his grandmother's house. Then practice running in place, ducking and jumping and dodging from side to side. There are many videos to choose from on the GoNoodle site. Some are fast-paced and some are slower and calming videos that incorporate mindfulness activities. So remember that you don't have to be tied to the desk in teletherapy. If it's appropriate for your student, you can get up and move. Simply have the student or the on-site facilitator adjust the webcam so that you can see the student well. And try incorporating videos such as these into your therapy sessions. You can find various types to suit your student's particular needs. This activity fun tip is brought to you by eTherapy, a teletherapy company leading the way for therapists.